Consumables mayonnaise mill. I'm very delighted and honored to introduce our factory for you. We have two brands and a series of machines, which are roller heat transfer printing machine from Bestech Company and a leather cutting machine from Dongguan Intelligent Corporation Limited. We are located in Daojiao town, Dongguan City, Guangdong province, covering an area of 15,000 square meters in total. We have been providing a complete set of textile printing solutions for domestic and foreign countries for more than 20 years. Look, those two buildings are dormitories and restaurant. And that building is our office and showroom. That building is our workshop. Let me show you around Bestech, which is specialized in the production of roller heat transfer printing machine, ribbon heat transfer printing machine, and the heat press machine, and etc. Here you can see this machine is our ZSBB series. The drum diameter is 1000 millimeters. The width is 1.9 meters. Look, you can see this part is put closed fans. And also you can see here, this is the paddling for big size diameter machines like 800 millimeters and 1000 millimeters. Next, let me introduce this SZZB 610 millimeters, 1.9 meters roller heat transfer machine for you. This machine comes with 4 pieces air shafts for winding and rewinding in total. Look, these 2 air shafts for sublimation paper winding. There are 2 tension control shafts. This one is for close winding, and this one is for sublimation paper. This one is waste paper winding air shaft. This part is a waste rack. Lining paper winding. This one is lining paper rewinding. Look, we use original imported 2-pound blanket for bad heat transfer effect and with a long service life. This one uses double drying heating with an external oil tank, which can maintain constant temperature because it adopts full oil design. This part is blanket automatic correction, which can automatically adjust blanket left and right. Let's have a check with the structure of the machine. Look, this is the motor. This is control panel. Look. Look, the diameter of that machine is 420 millimeters. Look at this machine. This machine is the best-selling one in our company. It's 200 millimeters, 1.7 meters. Look at that red machine. That machine is ribbon heat transfer printing machine. It's mainly used for shoelace, lace, ribbons, webbings, belts, bands, heat transfer printing. Well, the brief introduction about roller heat transfer machine is just finished. If you have any interest about our machines, welcome to contact us. We will of course provide you our best pre-sales and after-sales service, as well as the most competitive price. Well, please follow me. Let's go ahead to laser cutting machine workshop directly. It's just over there. We are the same factory. We are the same company. Okay, next, let me introduce our another series of products, which is laser cutting machine of brand Dongguan Laser. Our laser cutting machines mainly include CO2 laser cutting machine, panorama laser cutting machine, and rolling laser marking machine. This one is CF1825. It has 2 rails and 2 heads. It is panoramic automatic positioning edge banding laser cutting with high precision and low defective rate. This part is panel wide angle camera with intelligent vision. This part is mesh belt auto-feeder, more convenient for flexible fabric processing. The cutting speed is about 150 to 200 meters per hour. This is the closed layer machine used together with the laser cutting machine. Well, that's all about the introduction of the laser cutting machine. We warmly welcome your inquiry if you have any interest about this machine.